여러분 안녕하세요. 한국어 시간입니다.
Pronunciation.
아, 어, 오, 우, 이.
First, let's try the ah and sounds. Open your mouth wide and make the ah sound. Ah. Ah. The sound is loud and radiates outward, symbolizing the concept of ieung. Next, the sound is made by dropping the lower jaw to make the cheeks slender.
어, 어.
The shape of the mouth is smaller than ah, and the sound is low and lingers in the mouth, symbolizing the concept of yin. Now, try to distinguish between
아, 어,
keeping the concept of yin and yang in mind.
어, 어.
Next, let's compare the sounds of o and u. To make the o sound, purse your lips and say
오, 오.
the sound is light and high. This is the concept of yang. Now, push your lips forward to make the u sound.
우, 우.
The u sound is heavier and lower than o, symbolizing the concept of yin. Let's differentiate between o and u.
우, 우.
Now, let's move on to the sounds.
이, 으.
First, say e loudly.
이, 이.
The sound of e radiates outward, and the arrangement of both upper and lower teeth are distinctly visible. The corners of the lips look slightly raised. Next, let's say
으, 으.
you can see much more of the lower teeth than the upper ones. The sound of
으,
is lowered and dulled, and the corners of the lips look slightly down.
으.
Echoes in the mouth without coming out. Let's differentiate between e and
으, 으.
How was that? Not too difficult, right? Pronunciation.
야, 여, 요, 유.
Now, let's move on to the four vowels that are combined with e.
야, 여, 요, 유.
To pronounce ya, you can start with e and move to the sound of ah. Say it loud.
야, 야.
Similarly, to make yo, start with e and move to a sound. Let's say it loud.
여, 여.
Now, let's distinguish between ya and yo.
야, 야.
Yo and u are in the same way. Let's start with e, and then move to the sound o. You can get yo. Let's try it out loud.
유, 유.
Last, start with e, and then move to the sound u. You can reach u. Let's try it out loud.
유, you,
Let's distinguish between yo and you too.
you, you,
When distinguishing between vowel sounds, it is helpful to consider the difference between sounds, based on the concepts of yin and yang. Pronunciation. Initial ieung. Even though an initial consonant ieung comes before these vowels, the sounds of the vowels we've learned are not changed, because the initial consonant ieung has no sound. In other words, ah is equal to ah. So let's put the initial consonant ieung before vowels, and read them.
아, 야, 여, 오, 유, 우, 이유, 이.
Next time, we are going to learn the writing order of Hangul vowels, and read some words with them too. See you then.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.